To get started with Temu, you'll need to access the application, which can be done by downloading it from the App Store or by visiting the website at www.temu.com through your browser. Once you've accessed the site, you can sign in to your existing account or create a new one. After setting up your account, you'll need to verify it by completing the required tests. With your account all set up, you can explore the various features offered by Temu. To make an order, simply head to the search bar and type in what you're looking for, or browse through the different categories, such as home and kitchen or women's clothing. You can also use the popular categories to find items like jumpsuits. Once you've selected an item, you can view its details, including the description, price, and size options. To place an order, click on the item, select your size, and then proceed to the cart to complete the payment process. From there, you can review your order, make any necessary changes, and finalize your payment. After completing the checkout process, you can wait for your product to be shipped. The entire process is straightforward and easy to follow, allowing you to quickly and easily make purchases on Temu.